What's up, Lego Builders? Welcome back to the Mighty Bricks channel. And today for you guys, I have a TMC box for you. I'm kidding. We're doing an unboxing video for the first time on the Mighty Bricks channel. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And let's get into it. I think you guys are going to like this a lot. So we have a Cheers card. Some freebies. Looks like there's a sticker in there as well. And here's all the good stuff. So what I got is 40 minifigures, 3 different types of minifigures. So yeah, I kind of went big on this order. And it goes to show, look at how many different things there are. Jeez. Okay, so what I got is a platoon of German soldiers in M43 uniforms. So let me find the. Oh wait, I got nope, 3 different types of minifigs. So here's the 3 types of minifigs I got, and I will show you the weapons that they use. So here is the STG-44 minifigure that I got from TMC. It's very well detailed. There's printing in between the legs and in between. There is printing here as well with the torso. So it's a very well detailed minifigure, as always with the minifig. Here's Car 98 Rifleman number 1. Once again, very well detailed. And they have the patches on them. The what's it called? The rank patches on them. So very, very nice. And then we have this guy who has like, I guess, a bag strapped to him. And these are very well detailed, as always. And the Minifico sent me a coin. I already have a couple of these, but I love collecting them. And they're so much fun to collect. And they're heavy. Like, this isn't plastic. This is solid aluminum, I think. I was going to say steel, but I don't think it's steel. But, yeah. So, and then I got this for the STG-44 minifigure. Kind of like a perfect caliber of brick arms, but not the same Minifico made this. And then I got these Car 98s. which I love because of how detailed they are. All this stuff is very well detailed, and I'm honestly very impressed with how well detailed this comes out and everything. So yeah, that's what I got in this TMC order. Oh wait, that's not everything. We still have two more things that I need to show. I got two MG42s and two MG43s for the other squad. And if you guys want me to do an army video, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, that's what we got in this TMZ order. And let me know if we should do some more videos like this. But anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Please consider subscribing and commenting and liking. It's free and you can always change your mind. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time.